and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. I'm a graphic designer, and today we want to learn together how we can make seamless pattern in Illustrator. First of all, we have to know what is the pattern. Pattern fields can liven up objects and text, and patterns in Illustrator are easy to use. They can be applied to fields, strokes, and even resized, rotated, or repositioned within an object. Illustrator comes with a large variety of preset patterns, and you can make your own from symbols or your artwork. Here I have made one artwork which the symbol is made by myself, and another example is the icons which I have downloaded from another website. As you can see, I have made some elements here. I'm going to go a little bit to increase the size of it. These are all geometric shape. I'm going to ungroup them. You can see this is the star, and this is a circle, and this is half circle. This is line, and there's cross, and all of them. This is I have made them from the geometric shape here. They are here available, and everyone can make it. They are very simple and is easy to use. Pattern can consist of any kind of shape or artwork which you like to make it. It can be line, it can be shape, it can be drawing, or whatever you like that as a background they can be shown. I'm going to make it small to not making any distraction here. When I came here, I fill the background with the black. It's up to you if you want any background for that or you don't want any background. So after that, we are going to select all of them. We are going to object and group them. As you group them, you can go to Windows, pattern option, and here you can see the pattern option is grayed out, but here in burger menu you can go here and make pattern. Here is some messages. Okay, just hit OK. I'm making a little bit to see what we are going to do. Here this box here say to us that we can name this shape for ourselves. For example, geometric wallpaper. You can give whatever name you like, and here is a type. Means that in which way you want your pattern be shown. Here for myself, it's better to show in grid, but we can go throughout and see how they are going to behave. This is brick by row, brick by column, X, and hex by row. But for my pattern, it's just grid can work better. But from the different pattern and design pattern, it can be different. Here width and height of my artwork is 1080, which you can see here, but it can be bigger and smaller, but for myself it's okay, and I am going to accept it. And it can be other things are for this matter is grayed out, and copies it for me is 3x3 because the shape is a square, and here is dim copies on. it means that these copies is going to show, you can see with the 30% of opacity. You can increase or decrease as you wish. You can see here is 70%, here is 10%, but for me is working by 30% is okay. And when is everything is okay by you, and because you can come every time to it and make different modification, you can here press down, or if you are not agree and you want to cancel it, you can cancel, or you can make just one copy. I'm making done, and you can see it's here. I'm a little ahead to see it, and now you can see it's here. I'm going this side to make a little bit room for myself, and I'm going here to make a layer for that. Clicking here, I'm giving 1080, tab 1080, okay, and by itself it feel it here as stroked by yellow, and I don't want it. Also, I have made another example for you. These symbol, I didn't draw them and I didn't make them, just I downloaded from the website which is paid, and I brought it here once by one. You can see they are there, and I located them as I want. They want, because I want to show and represent in this way. So I brought them here, and again I'm going to and I wanted to have a background. You can without any background to make it. I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to object to group them. Again, I'm going to Windows and pattern option, and here I'm going to make pattern. Just hit OK. I'm going a little back to see how they are going to represent, and in this time also, because the size of my document is 1080 and it's a square, and it's going to show it very nicely. And I'm going just for grid. If you design in another way, you can go and just experiment how they will look. So for myself it's okay, and everything as I explained before is the same. I'm going to make accepted changes. And now we made our pattern here. I'm going to make one rectangle here. As you can see, it's going to fill up the rectangle in the same shape which we had. As you can see, we made this pattern from the icon which I have brought from another website. I didn't draw them, but it's very easy if you want to draw by yourself any icons. For example, you want to make something for kitchen, and you want to make something for children, or whatever you like. You can bring some component or icons which they are related to each other, and they can show and represent your aim of this design. And then this aim of this pattern was Christmas, and everything which is related to this Christmas we brought here, because after, when you want, for example, use it for a wallpaper, or you want to pack something with this paper, it can show and represent the Christmas times. They are so handy and very useful. We reached to the end of this lesson, and we learned together how we can make a pattern in Illustrator. So if you like this video and if you learn something from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button whenever I'm going to upload a new video, and you are going to be informed and you can watch it. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, and see you in next time. Bye.